Hi, I'm Lance with MarineMax. Follow me and take a look at the new listing that we have for the Seafox 226 Commander. Now that we're aboard the 226 Commander, I'd like to show you some of the features that we have. First, we have a circular live well, which is outstanding for keeping the bait fresh and lively. We have a washdown, both freshwater and saltwater. We have ample storage in the back, as you can see. We have areas where you can sit. These cushions are removable, so if you want to stand and fish, you have fantastic room for that. As we come to the helm, you'll notice that you have a very large area here to be able to visualize where you're going. You can see all of your electronics. The boat comes equipped with a Lawrence HDS 9. It also has all of your features right here, very visible and very easy to get to. The Yamaha 250 that this boat comes equipped with has a digital throttle as well, so it's very seamless, easy, maneuverable from neutral, forward, and reverse.
Go ahead.
Now we're at the bow of the 226 Commander. One of the things that I love about this boat is all of this space. This space gives you the versatility to be able to fish, to be able to have the entertaining time period. If you want to pull up to a restaurant or pull up to a sandbar, you have the ability to sit down and relax. As you can see, we also have an iPilot driven Minn Kota trolling motor. This trolling motor will allow you to stay right on point wherever you're fishing. It also comes with a windlass anchor controlled at the helm. So as we stand up here and finishing our video here today, I'd like to be able to also show you this T-top that we have on this boat. It's an extended T-top with a wonderfully maintained canvas top. It adds a tremendous amount of shade both in the bow and the helm. And we also have ample storage inside the helm. For more information on any of our boats here at MarineMax, please feel free to contact me, Lance Mullins, at 602-695-3424. Thank you very much.